Asmika everyone, hope you are all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am Fairy, the mathematics teacher. Now I will discuss about mathematics 9th class with new addition. First of all, I will discuss about number 1. 1 is real number. Real number means the combination of rational and irrational number. Now we will discuss about review exercise 1. Question number second is if A is equals to 3 over 2 and B is equals to 5 over 3 and C is equals to 7 over 5, then verify that A, B plus C is equals to AB plus AC, and second one is A plus B multiply C is equals to AC plus BC. So let's start. We will prove first question. First question is A. We can write like this. Question number 2 है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का फर्स्ट पार्ट है A इज इक्वल्स टू है 3 over 2. सो B इज इक्वल्स टू 5 over 3 एंड C इज इक्वल टू 7 over 5. Solution is 1. A, B plus C is equals to AB or AC. We will prove that. So A is 3 over 2, B is 5 over 3 and C is 7 over 5. A is 3 over 2 multiply B 5 over 3 plus A is 3 over 2, B is 7 over 5. So we will discuss here like LCM. LCM it will be 15. 3 5s are 15, 5 5s are 25 plus 5 3s are 15, 3 7s are 21. This one is cancel out with this one. So 5 1s are 5 over 2 plus 5 7 3s are 21 and 5 2s are 10. Now 3 over 2 equals to 21 and plus 25 will be equals to 46 over 15. So its LCM will be like this, 2 and 10. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10 and 5 will be equals to like this. 5 2s are 10. Its LCM will be 10. 2 5s are 10. 5 5s are 25 plus 21. So we can cancel out 3 1s are 3 with table 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15 and 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. 23 over 5. Like this, 25 plus 21 is equals to 46 over 10. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. Both answer are same. So we proved that A multiply B plus C is equals to AB plus AC. We will discuss about part 2. Part 2 is A plus B C is equals to AC plus BC. We also know that A is equal to 3 over 2, B is equal to 5 over 3 and C is equals to 7 over 5. So we will put the value of A plus B plus bracket C is equals to AC or plus BC. So A is 3 over 2 plus B is 5 over 3 and C is 7 over 5. Here same like this, A is equals to 3 over 2, C is equal to 7 over 5 plus B is equals to 3 over 5 over 3 and C is equal to 7 over 5. We take LCM both of these, 2 and 3, it will be equals to 6. 2 3s are 6 and 3 3s are 9 plus 3 2s are 6, 2 5s are 10. 7 and 5 will be multiplied. So 7 3s are 21 over 5 2s are 10 plus this 5 will be cancelled out with this one. 7 1s are 7 over 3. So 19 over 6, 7 over 5. Its LCM will be 10, 3, 2, 5s are 10, 3, 5 1s are 5, 3 and 3 1s are 3. 5 2s are 10 and 10 3s are 30. 30, 10 3s are 30. 3 21 3s are 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 63 plus 3 10s are 30. So 10 multiplied with 7 is 70. Now we will multiply 19 with 17. 19 with 7. 9 7s are 63. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 133 over 6 5s are 30. So 30 over 3, 13. Both answers are same. So we will prove that a plus b whole cube bracket multiply with c is equals to ac plus bc. Now we will discuss about question number 3. Question number 3 is if a is equals to 4 over 3, b is equal to 5 over 2, c is equal to 7 over 4, then verify the associative property of real number with respect to addition and multiplication. Associative property लगाएंगे with addition and multiplication. Let's start. Question number 3 है. Question number 3 क्या है? Associative property with respect to addition. Can also write like this: a plus b plus c is equals to a plus b plus c. So we will put the value in this equation. This one equation is associative property with respect to addition. So we will solve it. Its equation is, we can write here like 3, a is equal to 4 over 3, b is equal to 5 over 2 and c is equal to 7 over 4. So we will put here these equations, these values. A is equal to 4 over 3 plus b 5 over 2 plus 7 over 2, 7 over 4. A is 4 over 3 plus 5 over 2 plus 7 over 4. So it will be LCM of these two values, 2 and 4. It will be equals to 4. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10 plus 4 1s are 4, 7 1s are 7 is equals to 3 and 2 is 6. 3 2 2 4s are 8 plus 2 3s are 6. 3 5s are 15 plus 7 over 4. 4 over 3 plus 10 plus 7 is equals to 17 over 4 is equal to 15 plus 8. It will be equals to 24. It will be equals to 23 over 6 plus 7 over 4. So again we will take the LCM of 3 and 4. It will be equals to 12. 3 4s are 12. 4 4s are 16 plus 4 3s are 12. 3 17s are 17. 3 7s are 21. 3 1s are 3. 3 4 5 51 is equal to 4 and 6. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 3 1s are 3 and 2 and 2 ones are 2. 4 threes are 12. 12 आएगा. 6 twos are 12. 2 23 times 3 23 times 2. 3 twos are 6. 2 twos are 4. 46 plus 4 threes are 12 or 3 sevens are 21. 51 plus 16 is equals to 5 and 6 7. 5 and 1 is 6 over 12 is equal to 6 and 1 is 7. 4 and 2 is 6 over 12. It's proved that. We'll discuss about its second point, which is associative property with respect to multiplication. So A is BC is equal to AP plus ABC. So we will solve it. A is equals to 4 over 3. B is equals to 5 over 2. And dot, we can also like this, 4 over 7 over 4. ठीक है. A and B is 4 over 3, डॉट लगा लेते हैं. 5 over 2. C is 7 over 4. So we will cancel with the table 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, and 4 over 3. 5 sevens are 35 over 4 twos are 8 is equals to 5 twos are 10. 3 ones are 3. 7 over 4. 35 fours are 5. 4 fives are 20. 4 threes are 12 and 2 is 14. 140 over 8 threes are 24. 7 tens are 70 over 4 threes are 12. Now I will cut and cancel out with 70 over 12 by the table of 2. So 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, and 2 5s are 10. Same like cancel out 24 and 140 over 24 by the table of 2. 2 1s are 2, and 2 2s are 4, and 2 7s are 14 is 0. So same like 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12, and 2 35s are 70. Now its final value is 35 over 6 and equals to 35 over 6. It's equals to this. Show that it's prove the associative property with multiplication, and first one is associative property with respect to addition. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 की बात की जाए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 क्या है? इज 0 अ रैशनल नंबर एक्सप्लेन. 0 इज अ रैशनल नंबर एक्सप्लेन करें. So we can say that 0 is a rational number because we can write in the form of p over q. 0 equals to, like, let's see, 0 is equal to 0 over 1. So it's also will be equals to 0. So it's a rational number. Rise up and shine.